Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video is all about a wall mural that I'm doing at my parents' home. My dad's built a new extension for his grandkids, and he's got a bare kind of a door here, a shed door I call it, and he wants that covered. So I'm doing like a sunset wall painting. Coco. Hi Coco! Yeah, so I'm doing wall painting, and I'm using just house paint that I got mixed at the local hardware store. That's it. Thanks, Saya. So, and I'm going to be just using some hardware paint brushes that you use on walls. They're nothing special, just regular cheap brushes, because I can throw them away once they're used. I'd like to thank you all for your patience in waiting for my videos, because I have been a little slow uploading any videos recently. I do apologize about that, and I'd like to thank you all for your love and the new subscribers who've joined me with my art journey recently. Thank you so much. Also, I won't be talking through the painting because it's a very straightforward mural, but I will see you on the other side after I finish the mural and show you what it looks like. And of course I will record the process so you can see what I'm doing. I'm only using 3 colors, which is iron black, and I think one's called Rebel, and one is like so sunset colors. I think one's orange, one's like a dark deep orange, and one is black. So keep watching, don't go anywhere, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you after this. finished the wall painting, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Of course it wasn't a kind of a tutorial because it's quite simple, straightforward. It's really a silhouette, so it's not much to it, but I hope you've got the gist of it, and if you want to try it out, you know, I hope this helps. And of course my nephew wanted to paint as well, so he's in the video, and quite cute because he thought he could paint the whole thing, but yeah, he's still 5, so yeah. But do leave me a comment, let me know what you think. It's still a bit wet, so I'm not gonna finish it off because I still have to add some few fine details to it. I'm gonna wait a few days and then come back to it because I'm exhausted. As they're wall paints, you can't really get that real blending feel with, you know, wall paints because they dry so quickly and they're so thick, so you have to work really fast. But I have tried to capture, you know, a bit of what I was trying to achieve. It's a sunset and a silhouette of giraffes and an acacia tree. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Any advice, any suggestions for, you know, wall art or house paint, do leave them in the comment box for me. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'll be so humbled. And like and share this video. Until my next video, hopefully I shouldn't be a bit too long, but until my next video, stay blessed guys. Bye for now.